Joining the LANNA Wellbeing Initiative was something I chose to do to try and ensure that the entire student body is heard and accounted for. In a place where the community is so diverse, a well-being group is a necessary step to take to ensure that everyone feels safe and happy. This year, LANNA Student Council has appointed 3 well-being officers that you will hear from next.
Creating a newsletter where we and other fellow students contribute to raise awareness on the topics that these students submitted. And we also want other students to contribute to our newsletter besides the well-being officers to make an overall engagement into our initiative as being together in a community. As an older student, it makes me very reassured that in my last year we're at least able to lay a foundation to an incredible potential that focuses on our mental state.
As a student who is now in her last year of high school and as well as a well-being officer, I would like to graduate knowing the younger students had positive guidance and knowing that they had someone to go to. Last year we had focus groups that were split by gender identity. This has a very positive result as I thought it brought students and teachers alike closer as a student body and community. These focus groups had a safe and comfortable atmosphere that allowed students to discuss taboo subjects that aren't discussed as outside of the classroom.
At LANNA, we have introduced Wellbeing Week in November. During this week, we would like to raise awareness on mental health and provide our peers with ways to help manage their mental health. We will also be running fundraisers during this week and donating the profits to charities. To help raise awareness on mental health during Wellbeing Week, we will reach out to other organisations and other international schools and set up events or workshops that will help bring light to mental health and bring different people with different ideas together.